Well, nearly everyone offering their opinion today from all sides of the abortion issue. And tonight, our Michael Gibson joins us after speaking with a pro-choice preacher concerning today's decision by the Supreme Court to overturn Roe v. Wade. Michael?
Well, Mike, Reverend Katey Zeh is a book author and an ordained Baptist minister. She's also the CEO of the Religious Coalition for Reproductive Choice up in North Carolina. Now, that's an interfaith, pro-choice organization fighting for reproductive rights since 1967. Now, I spoke by Zoom with Reverend Zeh about what she felt was really behind the Supreme Court's decision and what it means for others in the future. This is Reverend Katey Zeh. She's a Baptist minister from North Carolina who's also the CEO of the Religious Coalition for Reproductive Choice. She's also written a book, which was just released in February, called A Complicated Choice, Making Space for Grief and Healing in the Pro-Choice Movement. Now, as a leading pro-choice advocate, we asked her what she thought was actually behind the Supreme Court's decision to do away with Roe v. Wade.
The white Christian nationalist political agenda that we have seen at play for so long. When I talk about the anti-abortion movement and its ability to weaponize my faith tradition, which has been Christianity, as almost a dog whistle around a much broader political agenda that is about maintaining power and control over our bodies.
Reverend Zeh's pro-choice organization was founded by a group of ministers and rabbis way back in 1967, and they've been fighting since that time to help people access safe abortions. And she says it's been an uphill fight, and she certainly knows about the situation in our state.
I think what's so concerning about the laws that we're seeing right now is it actually feels even more punitive than the kinds of laws that we saw prior to Roe versus Wade. Looking specifically at Texas and SB 8, there's surveillance that's built in and incentivizing neighbor turning against neighbor, suing people who accompany someone and accessing abortion care. I think what we're seeing is even more extreme in terms of the punitive nature. And
Reverend Zeh says that she hopes to see an expansion of reproductive health care options in those states that will continue to allow abortions. That as women from abortion-banning states seek medical care that they were allowed to take advantage of before today. Mike?
All right, thank you, Michael. Now, the Diocese of Corpus Christi also reacting tonight to the High Court's decision. Bishop Michael Mulvey saying that while they celebrate those who protect the sanctity of life, they pray for peace and mercy in our country and our community. The statement also offering the hope that today's decision by the Supreme Court will not become the cause for or source of greater division.